Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Web Design and Development Tutorials section. In Web Design and Development Tutorials section, you find jQuery playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my jQuery tutorials where I am explaining jQuery in depth step by step. In this video, I would like to discuss jQuery sliding effects. jQuery sliding effects animate height and overflow properties of an HTML element or elements. Sliding effects animate height and overflow properties, guys. We have slide up function, slide down function, we have slide toggle function. Let's understand one by one. Slide up function wraps the selected HTML element or elements up. Slide up function wraps the selected HTML elements up, guys. Let's understand with a demo. I minimize everything. I right click on default HTML page, say open with the notepad. You can see that default HTML page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to jQuery sliding effects and there's a paragraph. I minimize it. I open the default HTML page in the Google Chrome. Okay, default HTML page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to jQuery sliding effects and there's a paragraph. Now I go here and I say here dollar in brackets. In double quotations, I select the paragraphs in my page and then I say here slide up. In brackets, I am going to mention the duration. So 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. If I save it, go to browser and reload, you can see that it wraps the HTML element up, right? So if I have two paragraphs, let's say, I'm going to copy this and paste down. Both the paragraphs are going to slide up. I save it, go to browser and reload. Right, because we are selecting all the paragraphs in this page. If you want to select specific paragraph, let's say individual paragraph, then of course you can use the ID selector or you can use the immediate child selector. So any CSS selector suitable in that situation. Like for example, if I say here ID of first P, and in this case I say here hash first P, I am telling select the HTML element whose ID attribute value is set to first P. So this HTML element ID attribute value is set to first P. So only this paragraph is going to slide up. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see only the first paragraph is slide up, right? So that is how you can select the HTML elements using CSS selectors, guys. Okay, here we have used here ID selector. Okay, let's come back. So here I mention again the tag selector P, slide up. I save it, go to browser and reload. Okay, we have the slide down function which actually unwraps the selected HTML element or elements. Slide up wraps the HTML element, whereas slide down unwraps the HTML element, guys. So here what I do, I use the callback function. I say here function bracket bracket opening for bracket and closing for bracket. So this function is executed after this duration. That means after a second this function is executed. So what I do here, I'm going to copy this and paste here. Simply I say here slide down bracket close semicolon. I save it, go to the browser and reload. Slides up, slides down. I reload, slides up, slides down. If you want, you can use multiple callback functions. So here I can give a comma and I can say here functi1 function, opening bracket closing bracket opening for bracket closing for bracket, and inside that again I can call this slide up function bracket close semicolon. Again I'm going to use the callback function opening for bracket closing for bracket, and then I use the slide down function here bracket close semicolon. I save it, go to browser and reload. Slides up, slides down, slides up, slides down, right? That's how this code works, guys. Okay, next we have slide toggle function. It actually wraps or unwraps the selected HTML element or elements. Okay, slide toggle. So if I go here, instead of slide up, I say here slide toggle, and I'm going to copy this slide toggle, slide toggle, slide toggle. I save it, go to browser and reload. Slides up, slides down, slides up, slides down. So that's the toggle function, guys. Okay, I hope you guys have clearly understood jQuery sliding effects. I suggest you people to try it yourself, experiment. If you experiment, you get more clear idea, guys. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about jQuery in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.